Hey everybody, how's it going? Today I got a quick tool haul about the Dewalt 12v Xtream drill driver and impact driver, quarter-inch impact driver kits, as well as the free 5 amp hours I got with them. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so I went to Lowe's, ended up picking up 2 chargers, the 12 amp charger and the 6 amp charger for Dewalt, and realized kind of late that they were doing these deals. I didn't realize it late. I've been talking about it for a month or so. I just never went and got any. So I picked up the 3/8 drill driver kit. So this comes with, for 99 bucks, you get the drill driver, 2 2 amp hour batteries, charger, a bag, and you get a free 5 amp hour 12 volt battery. This is, the drill driver is kit number Dog Charlie Dog 701 Frank 2. Same time I also picked up the quarter-inch impact driver. They do have this in a combo where you get technically 2 2 amp hour batteries, the drill driver, and the impact driver for $199. This comes out to being $198 when you buy both of these. And the reason I bought them separately is because you get 2 5 amp hour batteries, one for each kit. Quarter-inch impact driver comes with 2 2 amp hour batteries, charger, bag, and the tool, and you get a free 5 amp hour. The kit number for the impact driver kit is Dog Charlie Frank 801 Frank 2. This is going to be the quick video. This is just going to be an informative video to let you guys know that these are coming to the channel for you guys to see. We'll be unboxing these separately, individually on their own. So I'll unbox this one. We'll do a separate video on this one. And we'll probably be doing testing videos down the road against other impact drivers and drills. I also did pick up the hammer drill, as well as the 3/8 impact wrench and the recip. The recip does not come in a kit, but you do get a free 5 amp hour with it, which is why I picked it up. Majority of these tools I bought for my wife because the handles are a lot slimmer than the Milwaukee M12. They're a lot lighter, so when my wife's on a ladder hanging stuff for her garden or whatever, or she's building something, you know, they're not so heavy. So stick around for videos on these individually. This is just a quick information video of what's coming to the channel. I do appreciate you guys sticking around. So I ended up technically getting 2, 4, 6, 8 2 amp hours, 4 5 amp hours for free. Ended up getting 4 bags, 4 chargers, and 5 tools. Because the recip doesn't come with a bag that I know of, but when we open it, we'll find out. If so, then it technically 5 bags, 4 chargers. But do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today, checking out the video. Here's a close-up of everything. Impact driver, drill driver. Thank you guys so much for sticking around for this quick video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Smoosh the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. I got an Ulsa Tools link down at the top of the description below. Get you 10% off your order at ulsatools.com, as well as it kicks me back 10% off my next order. So when you guys do use the links, it does save me money, help me bring tools to the channel for you guys. Buying tools is not cheap. Doing videos on them is not cheap either. So anything that you do use the links for, it does help me out quite a bit. All affiliate links are commission links, so I will get a commission off of them if you guys use them. Doesn't cost you anything extra, and it helps me out, helps the channel, helps you support the channel. I also do have a membership link if you guys want to check that out. You guys can choose a tier. I am going to be adding more tiers to those, more options for each tier later down the road, depending on how well the memberships go. Appreciate you guys stopping by. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope to see you guys on the next video, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!